Hi everybody. Today we're staying at the Motel 6 in Huntsville, Texas. It's a pretty small room, kind of to be expected, but so as soon as you walk in, you have the AC unit, you've got your window with the curtains, and then we have the double queen bedroom. So here's like the size of the beds. And we've got two of them, obviously. And then over here on this side, we have got a desk, a chair, trash can. There's some drawers right here if you wanted to put something there. Also right here we have a TV and the remote. If you keep walking this way, you can see they've got a mini fridge and a microwave. You come over this way. They've got a little cabinet, probably for like if you want to put your suitcase on there, or a tiny little area to hang clothes just right on top. So that's kind of like your luggage area is right there in the corner. Then we're gonna come in this way, and here is the restroom. They've got towels and washcloths. Here's the toilet. The shower is kind of cool. I was gonna move it vertical, but that would mess up the video. But anyways, let me try and back up so you can kind of see it. It's kind of like circular, which is kind of cool. It's a little funky. Yeah, so it's got a handlebar, and then up there, the shower goes in, or the shower head goes like into it, and I think you can move it around a little bit, so that's cool too. But yeah, like as you can tell, it's like a rounded out shower. And then you've got your sink, you've got your cups, they give you a soap, and then there's a nice big mirror right here. Yep, so that is the Motel 6 in Huntsville, Texas. Thanks for watching.